For cardio exercises for weight loss. Cardiovascular workouts elevate your heart rate. These are some of the most effective forms of exercise for weight loss, because the greater your heartbeat, the more fat you'll burn. To lose weight or maintain weight loss, you'll need up to 300 minutes of moderate physical activity a week. This averages about 60 minutes, 5 days a week. 1. Low-intensity cardio. You don't have to exercise at a high intensity to lose weight. If you're a beginner or have physical limitations, low-intensity cardio can also help you burn calories and drop pounds. These workouts include jogging, bicycling, power walking, swimming, and aerobics. Start slow and gradually up the intensity as you adjust to your new routine. 2. Jump rope. Jumping rope not only improves coordination and cognitive function, but the intensity of this workout elevates your heart rate, helping you burn about 1,300 calories per hour. 3. Burpees. Burpees combine squats, jumps, and push-ups. It's an effective workout because you're burning fat from your overall body, and you're training multiple muscle groups like your chest, legs, and core. 4. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. This cardio workout has increased in popularity due to its ability to maximize calorie burn and fat loss. It involves intense bursts of exercise to elevate your heart rate, followed by 15 seconds of rest. HIIT is great if you don't have a lot of time. You're able to exercise for a shorter length of time, yet complete a more intense and strenuous workout. As a result, you'll continue to burn calories for hours after the workout.